Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In here today I want to presenting my project on English class. The topic is Nobi Racing Exhaust. But before I going to the topic, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Andika Fauzi Hadiana. My number ID is 15 2018 and 019. We will start now. The first is, did you know some bikers interested of many types of exhaust sound? You know, if you a motorcycle user, sometimes, but not at all. In my opinion, you will bored of the original sound from the original exhaust. I mean, yeah, just boring. In my opinion, some bikers interested of many type of sound, of course, because feeling bored. And next, that's why Nobi exhaust companion making non-standard exhaust. Yeah, Nobi companion make standard non-standard exhaust because so many motorcycle user wanna have a different sound from the original exhaust one. That's why Nobi exhaust companion making non-standard exhaust. And next, with using Nobi exhaust, your motorcycle will got any type of exhaust sound. Hmm, any type of exhaust sound. That means Nobi racing mufflers have many type of sound. The first is original, but not original. It can be bass and it can be very loud. Next, this is the mind map of Nobi exhaust muffler. No, I mean Nobi exhaust. Next, the first is what makes Nobi has different from the standard exhaust. One, sound. Just I said before, sound is the Nobi has two sound. The first one is bass, and the second is loud. I mean loud, very loud, and the bass like original exhaust, but have has a bass sound. The second is material. Nobi exhaust has material from stainless steel that different from the original exhaust. So next, where the parts of Nobi makes different sound. In this image, Nobi has a part that uh, how to say, yeah, this is the part, two part. I mean, the first is it calls glass wool. Glass wool is make make sound from motorcycle that will make bass sound. And the second one is this to cover the glass wool like this and make some different sound too. Next, who can modding the sound of Nabi exhaust? Hmm, who can modding the sound? Everybody, everyone can mod the sound of Nabi exhaust. The means of modding sound is that two, as I said before, the bass one and the louder one. The bass one, but in here, who can modding the sound? You can modding to the mechanic, And the second, you can easily, yeah, in here you can easily pull up the cover and can modding the sound, that two different sound. Next, why you must choose Nobi Racing Exhaust. This is what I like. First is the price. The price is maybe different from any Nobi sound. I mean Nobi exhaust that has original. I mean like motorcycle types that's sporty or matic or maybe cub. But in here, to I want to give example price from my Nobi exhaust. I got price, it is 330k rupiah. That means, I mean, yeah, in my opinion, is cheap. Then then and that's what and that's exhaust was original. And the second is easy to modding the sound. Like as I said before, it's very easy to modding the sound. I will explain that later. Next is when Nobi exhaust sound can use. Yeah, we can use it. The first is street daily. I mean, yeah, street daily to the campus, to the working. I mean, or just like that. Nah, in this street daily, why to because in street daily we use the, I mean, what, sound of bass one, and the racing pace is louder one. Why in this street daily use the bass one? Because if you don't use that, you will get wanted for the wanted by the cops. Yeah, that's not I like. And then in the racing place, you can use the louder one sound because yeah, that was a racing place. No cops. I mean yeah, you free to use that. The next is how to applying the Nobi racing exhaust. One by self, you can applying the Nobi racing exhaust by self, but maybe you must have tools, must have experience of applying exhaust. But in the second one is to the mechanic. You just sit down and wait. Then your motorcycle can be used, and the Nobi racing exhaust is ready to use. Inside the box of Nobi racing muffler. In here, I has a Nobi racing muffler in my cab motorcycle. Why I buying the stuff? Because yeah, in the as I said before, I feel bored for, from exhaust original sound. Yeah, I feel bored. And then I search internet and YouTube. Then I found this. And why I buy it? Because uh it has two different sound, and we will not get wanted by cops. In here, in the modding sound has a name is DB Booster and DB Killer. The DB Booster used in racing street, and the DB Killer is used by daily. I mean, cops will not you wanted you because the sound is just like the original but has a bass sound. In here I have the box of Nobi racing muffler. Sorry, yeah, like this. As I said before, I got this. I get the price is 330k rupiah. And what inside the box is just like this, the same. But in here I already applied it to my motorcycle, but it's empty. It has got guarantee card and stuff like that, warning card and many more. But for example is can see it from the presentation. And next I will seeing the videos of sound. In here I use the DB killer. Yeah, I mean the bass sound one. We'll start watch now. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that's all for the sound. You can clearly hear. And next, the conclusion. I think the Nobi Racing Muffler is easy to modding the sound. Yeah, it's very easy to modding the sound. The different from I mean, the non-original exhaust, like I can say Agrapovic, CLD, that just one has one type of sound, and you just how to modding that is very easily. You can just use this key and plug to the DB killer and done. You can have the different sound. The second is Nobi Racing Mover is cheap. As I said before, its price is just 330k rupiah. If I can compare that from other exhaust, that's very cheap. I mean, compared by Akrapovic or CLD, and and this is original, not clone. The third is Nobi Racing Muffler has a good material. Uh, I use Nobi Racing Muffler that 1 year, yeah, 1 year or 1 year half. I maybe it. My Nobi Racing exhaust that in my motorcycle club is still good, still can use it. The sound is good enough, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching my presentation about Nobi Racing exhaust. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.